Hi guys, my name is Audra Pilardi out of Midwest Youth Services in Jacksonville, Illinois. We partnered this April with Jacksonville Middle School to bring the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly to all of our local middle school students in the surrounding area. We were able to bring 4 additional schools in the surrounding area to also witness this empowering event. It was really exciting to see the youth out on the floor, engaged and willing to participate and receive this beautiful message. We are partnering with all of our counties this April to empower youth to be kind and to stand up to bullying, to make safe choices online in the real world. So the message behind the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly was perfectly in line with what we're trying to teach every single day, especially this April. So we really enjoyed the event. I had fun. I learned a lot too. But just the whole message of empowering students, I think, is beautiful.
I will have a beautiful tomorrow.